In your journey to get healthier and fitter, there's a little trick your brain can play that can completely write off everything that you're trying to achieve. Therapists like to call this the domino effect. Well, let me explain. In our day to day, we stack up little things that actually take you towards the healthier version of yourself. You woke up in time, went for your walk, made a glass of vegetable juice. You even got your 8 hours of good night's sleep. But then there's an office party and your colleague insists you eat a samosa or a cupcake. And in your mind, here's what happens. You instantly write off the entire day. And now you say, now let's not do the diet from today. Let me restart it from tomorrow, from Monday morning, from the 1st of Jan. But what we actually need to understand is it was one instant in isolation. Okay, you can't prevent them from happening, but what you can do is to understand that one event doesn't need to have a domino ripple and ruin all the things that you're trying to do. Strike it off as a one-off and continue building your day towards a healthier version, because every day counts and every small thing can take you towards a happier, healthier, stronger you.